In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deselect on the artboard. When you're working on a design and something stays highlighted, it can affect every move you make: scaling, coloring, copying, or aligning. Deselecting gets you back to a clean slate, so your next action applies exactly where you want it. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently using the methods built right into your workspace. The quickest way is to click on an empty area of your artboard, anywhere that isn't occupied by an object or a handle. Think of the artboard as your main canvas. Move your pointer to a clear spot and click once. If you see bounding boxes, anchor points, or outlines disappear, that's your confirmation that nothing is selected. If your canvas is crowded, look toward the edges or a gap between elements. A single click is all you need. Avoid dragging, which could create a new selection marquee instead of deselecting. If your layout is so dense that finding blank space is tricky, use the top menu. Go to Select, then choose Deselect. This menu command is consistent and reliable, especially when you want certainty. It tells the application explicitly that you want no active selection. Again, you'll know it worked when any highlight or transform controls vanish from view. This is a great habit when you're preparing to start a new task, like drawing a fresh shape or pasting something without overriding a current selection. For the fastest muscle memory option, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Shift plus Control plus A. On Mac, press Shift plus CMD plus A. Tap the combination once and your selection clears instantly. Shortcuts are ideal when you're in a flow and don't want to hunt for empty canvas or navigate menus. If it doesn't respond right away, make sure the design window is active and your cursor is within the application, then try again. With a little practice, this becomes second nature and saves you a surprising amount of time. Use any of these approaches whenever you want to reset your selection before making a precise move. Click empty space for a quick visual reset, choose Select, then Deselect from the menu when the canvas is busy, or rely on Shift plus Control plus A on Windows or Shift plus CMD plus A on Mac for speed. Keeping your selection clean helps avoid accidental edits, makes alignment more accurate, and ensures new shapes